If you've been manifesting that someone would create your manifestation content for you and even set up your website if you needed that done, I have amazing news for you. We've just released our Manifestation Business Startup Kit that includes everything you need to start publishing manifestation content, growing your list, having products for sale, and more. I'll show you a quick peek. It includes done-for-you lead magnets, including 3 blog posts with feature images, a manifestation 7-day challenge, a "What's Your Manifestation Style" quiz that's ready to publish, and a lead magnet report, 5 blocks stopping your manifestation and what to do about it. You also get 15 done-for-you digital products, including a card deck and guidebook, 5 planners and workbooks, 5 printable journals, and even 3 more bonus planners to go with it. Perfect for selling in your shop or bundling up into larger packages. We've also included publishing and monetization training backed by our decades of online marketing experience, showing you how to publish all your content and use it to grow your business. Don't have a website yet? No problem. We've actually put together a fully customizable website for you. It's got all the products loaded, all the content loaded, so you're ready to start getting opt-ins and making sales. You also get our 24/7 implementation and strategy help because when you work with eGitHub University, you never have to build alone. Just let us know how we can help, and we're always there for you. Our special offer is on now, so be sure to get your instant access. Download the content, get the trading, and let us know how we can help.